The Hocor percutaneous valve replacement system allows for minimally invasive treatment of aortic stenosis. A catheter is inserted near the groin and travels up through the femoral artery to the aorta. A temporary valve consisting of a balloon system is deployed in the ascending aorta close to the aortic valve. The gaps between the balloons of the temporary valve and the aortic wall allow forward blood flow, but prevent excessive blood flow from leaking back into the heart while the valve is being replaced. A balloon is deployed to pre-treat or weaken the stenotic valve, and then the ablation stents are deployed. These low-profile stents will provide additional radial strength so that the new valve being inserted can be less bulky. Once the old valve has been pushed aside, creating a circular annulus, the new valve, which is mounted on a stent, is deployed in a snug and secure fashion. The new prosthetic valve will begin to function immediately after deployment, and the temporary valve, along with the deployment balloon, will be deflated and pulled out. The patient is then left with only a Band-Aid at the original entry site and will be back on their feet in a few days.